Digital twins are revolutionizing industries like manufacturing, science, and healthcare by enhancing efficiency and accuracy. In manufacturing, companies such as Red Bull Racing leverage digital twins to accelerate design changes and minimize errors, drastically reducing the time required to develop new products. In healthcare, digital twins of organs, like the heart, enable doctors to predict treatment outcomes, facilitating more precise and personalized medical care. Businesses like Uber and Amazon utilize digital twins to optimize operations, managing routes and predicting demand, thereby improving efficiency and customer service. Despite their benefits, digital twins pose security risks. The sensitive data they handle can expose companies to potential cyber attacks, necessitating robust security measures.